Hi, hello friends. Jebel Hafid is a prominent place to visit in Al Ain city. It is also one of the top tourist places in the whole UAE. It is a mountain range and also a border between Oman and UAE. The road in the mountain range was constructed in 1980 and the length of the road is 11.7 kilometers. Several hot water springs that were formed naturally can also be found here. The landscape is stunning and awesome, and get ready with your camera before starting the ride. Hello friends, we have started from Dubai early in the morning and reached Al Ain city and visited Fun City and Zoo. Now we are heading towards the mountain top. Jebel Hafid, Jebel, Jebel, Hafwt. Hafid, Jebel Hafid is a mountain range that separates Oman and UAE. Al Ain city lies at the foothills of this mountain. Regular rains happens here every year. It has a lot of greeneries and cultivation and harvesting also done here. Al Ain is called the garden city of UAE. The mountain is a mixture of limestone and other porous sedimentary rocks. Because of this combination, the look and feel of the mountain is the reason for tourist attraction. The presence of hot water springs in this area is a surprise because there are no volcanoes exist here. It is believed that water is being heated by natural geothermal process. The temperature of water goes as much as 40 degrees Celsius. A park with hot water springs was developed during maybe around 2005, I am not sure. This park is located at the outskirts of Al Ain city and based at the foothills of the mountain. This mountain road was constructed during 1980 and it stretches around 12 kilometers and winds up at a height of 1200 meters. There is a large viewpoint at the top of the hill. A small food court is also available here. The guest house on the mountain top belonged to the country rulers. A Bollywood movie, Race, RAC, that's the name of the movie. Couple of scenes were shot here.
Hello, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.